Hey everyone, BlueFrog49 here, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing video of this gizmo watch. As many cool features, you've probably seen it. I have. My friend Noah has one. Okay, there's many different things, like your parents can locate you, for one. Which means it's built for kids, guys. It literally says right here, it's a download. Okay, it can also call and text, track your activity, and it has a simple setup. There's a bunch of fun stuff on here, and it's the closest thing I have to a phone, so let's just unbox it. But I've already cut this bit so I can actually open it, because we don't want to break the box.
Wait, what?
Go away, shell girl, please.
No.
I want to do this alone, please.
No.
Just go away. Okay. So, let's see. Okay, these are the instructions. I'll just put that right there.
Well, people hate background noise, so.
No, I don't care. Okay, this is like part of the charger. The other part to the charger. Boom. Cardboard. It's like taped down. Oh, got it. Yay. Okay. So, this is the watch. Looks cool. I'm pretty sure it has to charge. I don't know if it'll actually fit me. Hopefully it will. Let's take the tape off and see what it does. Oh yeah, we can't because it's for a moment. Oh, that's the problem. This is the problem. There we go. Now I just gotta remove this. Whew. One more piece to go. Okay. See if this works. Yeah, I got it. Wear it on this hand because it's my dominant hand. I want to see if this actually fits me. If this thing would want to cooperate, I could actually put it on. This thing won't put on. This thing won't go on. Oh crap! I don't think it actually fits.
Welcome to Gizmo.
Oh. Yeah, it's on. Weird. Weird. Very, very weird. Somehow it turns on. But doesn't it have to charge first?
I'm connecting to Verizon.
Oh, is this? It's upside down. Yes. Crap. It's upside down. I can't even look at it properly. I can't look at my...
It's dead. You have to charge it.
Well, it's upside down. The screen's upside down.
What?
Good.
Careful in the upside down. There's creepy things in the upside down.
How is his charged?
I have no clue. I think it's actually like... But the screen is upside down.
I said be careful in the upside down. There's creepy things in the upside down.
Seriously, Mom, no, the screen is upside down. Quit making that reference to a movie.
Why is there tape here?
TV show.
Why is there tape here?
It was on the watch. Okay, so I'm
Where's
not...
your phone?
I have no clue. I think it's like connecting? I don't know.
Mine's dead.
Okay. But what do I do about this problem?
To Verizon.
It's like upside down, no?
Setup. Download the Gizmo Hub app to your phone.
Okay.
Google Play Store.
Okay.
Look at mine. Mine's dead.
Looks like I have to wear it on the other arm.
Mine's Mickey Mouse.
Looks like I have to wear it on the other arm, but thing is, it's gonna be hard to get it on. It's hard to get it on, but should be able to. Wait, no, this thing won't work. Oh,
My mobile number is 3
wait, no, I'm not.
0 3
Oh, no, that's not it. What? Go back.
2 0.
Go back. Ah, crap. Setting it up. It's like setting up. How do I... This is the watch. It's upside down. But...
Yeah, and I'll help you. I can help you with it.
Okay, so... And that's it. Basically, we unboxed it, and I'm gonna have to, set it up.
She said your own name.
They can't hear. They can't hear it. Okay.
Actually, yes,
Okie dokie. So, here we go. It's the end of the video. Peace out. I'll probably be doing another video when I get this thing to work. It's probably going to be a while.